We're gonna start off with Travis over here.
Let's go.
Hi, you're watching from a poly perspective.
Ladies and gentlemen, happy Saturday and welcome to Tisa Tattoo Festival this year, 2011. We'd like to let everybody know that if you want to have a tattoo, please sign up. In-house we have our Tufuma Wilson Fitial. It's actually the original for all the Soga'imiti and the Malu that you'll be seeing today.
Displaying his expertise in the art of Tatoo using tattoo tools that are traditional. So we have other artists that are using the machine, which is more of a modern, we call it in Samoa. And that modern art is applied by the machine gun.
There's a lot of tattoos that are being dressed out right now. We also have Off the Rock recognized. We have another tattoo artist, Duffy Hudson, with the main man, Joe Ioane, my man Joseph. We also have Nico Albert Papue. This is all under the umbrella of the Off the Rock. They are starting their tattoos this morning, so we're going to have a lot of performance coming up today, followed by our special Ava ceremony to open this festival this year, 2011. There's a face painting. I believe it's a no charge or tip. So paint your face, do not scare a lot of our people. It's a beautiful day, it's a happy Saturday, right here at Tisa's Alenga Tattoo Festival this year, 2011. It's going to be all about the Tatoo and the Malu competition today. There will be a 500 tala giveaway for the winner of the Soga'imiti and the 400 tala for the best Malu.
Malu is a traditional female tattoo. It's from the knee up to the thigh, as well as the Soga'imiti, the full-body traditional Samoan male tattoo. Being a Soga'imiti is not an easy thing. To undergo the pain, to endure the pain of getting that tattoo done is a big ordeal in Samoa. At one point, that was like the test of manhood. These young men who do get the tattoo, they do participate in village affairs, and they have a major role to play in Samoan cultural events. The Soga'imiti, show me that you're worth the that you're wearing on your body. These are some of the things I want to instill in you, why I thought it was important to preserve the Samoan tattoo art, which is tattoo or Tatoo, Malu, and Soga'imiti. It is important that there's a cultural side of it that you must remember. It's not just about wearing it and flashing it around. It's about dedication to the village. It's about your dedication and service to your family. It's about wearing the art proudly and participate in village affairs. That is so important, and knowing when and when not to. There are etiquette that comes with the Malu and the Soga'imiti in the Samoan way. When he decides, or his family decides, which is really the traditional way, that means all responsibilities are his in serving on a tantua. It means it means if you hear that Abba song, or the Abba sili matawa ile tulu. And the Yellow Pulpesifapia, Semea Amata Ina, or Setama Poto Ed Abu Alanga, Tawalanga. That means Pulpaui the Abba. These are all the little roles that are played by the Soga'imiti.
Hi everybody, my name is Ana Suluia Tango. I come from the beautiful village of Malailoa. The purpose of my malu is in remembrance of my grandpa, High Talking Chief of Malailoa, and it's out of courage.
Talo falawa ia olo ingoa o ana tawhai Sofia te saumenu o awa malau ia ole mafuanga o le ala i tauwa ia e fia loto ma le ngangai e whaali atu foile te tawa Samoa ia ai mese taso atu nei o le fia whai ai fo loto ma le nganga ia ono o le mita lava lea tato wanganu ai mese foile le iloa se le foi mea wa iloi wa iloa ono le tato wanganu ufa Samoa ia o le alo o le fifianga o le alan tai nai le nei Tatoo po le malu ia
but you can focus it in
o lo fa penao na fa solo I tono le mato ainga le tūleo se mato lo tama I le I Samoa sifo ia tai malam no.
Greetings and talofa. My name is Lucy Suyala Tango. I'm 13 years of age. I come from the beautiful village of Malailoa. The reason why I got my malu is because my grandpa is the high-talking chief of Malailoa Nanaide Fefe Janiro. And the reason why I came to compete is because I love my daddy and he wanted me to come here, so I'm making my dad proud. Thank you.
Malik. Tatoo Tatoo Malu lulua sa saat mo oi halo sasa halo Fatifia ya mai cepat-cepat na sa saat Tatoo second contestant.
You know, you think only Samoan men get tattoos, but there is one special man who is about to come here, Candyman. Why is he so special, some of you ask? Because he tattooed us to the Fa'amuni family 150%. You see him clean the highway, cutting the grass, doing everything that he making the umu. For many of you, if you come to the famous feast here at Tisa's every Wednesday, you don't see Samoan men making the you see a Soga'imiti with his helper, the two of them making that umu. These are some of the things Soga'imiti is responsible for. How about a hand for Waika? And please tell us about your Soga'imiti.
As she mentioned, my name is Waika. It is my calling name. Throughout all the years, that's the name I've been known as, Waika, from school as I've grown up. Waika in Hawaii means God Almighty, or it means water. In Samoa it means nice guy. As I grown up and got into the Aumanga and the village stuff, I'm from the village of Nuli, or the Tatoo Malus. I've earned my what we call cadets to become a high-talking chief of the family. My father's brother is actually High Chief Savusa, is married to the king of Samoa, Lefioma the Malitoa, his daughter, which is Tosi, known as the Toa. That lady is actually the reason why I became the high-talking chief. She called me up in Hawaii and mentioned that she had a dream, and it's must for me to come down here and surrender, because that was her dream. Till this day, I can never have many words to express how many thanks I have for her for letting me come down here to become a high-talking chief. I was honored the title of high-talking chief in the year of 1996. And then the year of 2000, I met one of our artists, or the Tifunga, Sunuape Petelo. He's the one that gave me the Soga'imiti, and that's when I knew I gotta sustain all of our culture, protect our family reputation, and in every movie that we watch is what we call die with honor. And that's the reason why I have the Soga'imiti, because I have a big family. I love my family. In all of our culture, without there's no love, there's got to be a respect. You got to respect. We learn from this island throughout everywhere we go. We carry it with us because it's in our heart. And we represent our ancestors, our families, and our neighbors. So Samoa is the Mocho Fifth Yanga. people of happiness. We are the people from the sun as well. So today, without knowing that I'm going to be part of the competition, I like to find something to have a round trip to Hawaii as well.